friends, welcome to Tasty Life Plant Lady. Today I am going to show you my vinca flower. So vinca is a very common flower, but these purple vinca are not available to everyone and everywhere. These are very beautiful and different. They are not available, that's why they looks very nice and amazing to me. Maybe you don't like it, some of you, but they are very nice. They have purplish and violet sometimes, because if they get enough sun then they become darker, more darker, and if they get not enough sun, like if it is a rainy day or not sun is up all the times, then you will find them a little lighter. So they vary, of course, because of light. And you can see the other side, that means the other side of my balcony or railing, they also bloom, lots of them. There are some birds also over here, so I'm expecting to bloom them tomorrow. That's why they are blooming every day. So I got bloomed every day in my garden. Let me show you from a little bit far so that you can get the view of the whole plants. It's not that much big, it's just a little plant, but today I have so much blooming, like huge. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I have 15 bloom today. It's amazing. It's actually, I bought this plant very little, like a very tender plants, so it's grown up almost 5 or 6 months ago. Actually I bought it, and today it's grown up and giving me flower every day. Today is the maximum flower it's given me, that's why I'm excited. And beside that, of course, I have my regular vinca, like the pink one, pink flower with dark pink inside it. And also I have this rare collection of the hot pink. It is actually hot pink. I don't know you are understanding or not. I think you get the color because now it's not that much sun. So yeah, here it is. Yesterday I had a huge bloom of all of them, so today I have just purplish bloom, so I'm focusing on them. But vinca is actually very normal and common flower in Asia. Any country they bloom easily. I've seen in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Indonesia, Malaysia, all over they are blooming this flower. Even China, there are lots of them, though it is another side. But in social media I have so many friends, gardener, who are, so I have seen also this flower in China, Korea as well, and they have actually lots of variety. Let me show you my another variety. This is whitish. Whitish means almost white, just because of sun. They actually very light baby pink, but just because of sun they looks that almost white, but dark pink inside it. Yeah friends, they are also bloomed a lot today, and here is, they almost become white. I have white vinca as well, but today I have no bloom of that. Yes, that's why. Oh, there is another, that pink one, and I'm lucky that I have this white inside it, shaded, and pink or reddish vinca today as well. This one is very nice and beautiful. I want this to grow by cutting, but it's not grow from cutting easily. so I have to wait for that. I survived though the cutting as well, but it's not growing that much as I am expected. So hope they will. Also hope I have lots of them as well, but I have normal vinca flower. This purple, this pink one, they are very common one, this pink flower. So they are very common, but they are also very beautiful. I also love them so much. I hope guys you also like them. So today it was my vinca tour from my garden. I will show you another flower tour also, one by one. So keep in touch friend, and let me know how many colors of you have in your garden in vinca flowers. Okay, bye. Have a nice gardening.